What's up, son? Huh?
Wait, you see over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, over there.
What about it?
Those two?
Yeah.
Almost failed. Every single time,
Those two turns?
Yeah.
You almost failed?
Yeah, I think almost falling.
Seashells. Well, you know what you got to do? You got to learn how not to fall then, right? If you know you almost failed 2 times, what's happening right now? That means you learning. So now when you go around them curves, you got to know, hold up, Big Legend, you got to know not to go too fast. You got to know where not to go, because you might go somewhere where it's too much sand at and you might crash out. So that's why you just practicing right now, so you can learn the track. That's the whole goal. So when you go on them turns, just slow down, pay attention. Don't do nothing crazy and you ain't gonna fall, because you learning right now, right? Learning with Landon, the 8-year-old. Let's get it. Alrighty, kickstand down. There you go, kickstand is down. Alright. Alrighty. How you feeling? I gotta get Big Legend something to drink real quick. You want something? You want something to drink? You good? Alright, you want something to drink too? Go ride where? Like a quick circle right here? Yeah, just do like on this little street right here. It's just gonna go that way. Just do a circle, but don't be going fast. Watch out for cars, because it's gonna be cars sometimes going over there. But go do a quick circle real quick. That's cool. Yep. Yeah, see, it's a red truck over here right now. That's why you gotta be careful. And don't, like I say, don't be going all fast. Just go ahead and go around this little circle of dirt and come on back. Huh? Go ahead, you can go. Just pay attention while you out there. Kickstand up, yep. Alrighty, go ahead. Say what, Big Legend? You thirsty? You thirsty? Alright, hold up. Let me get you something to drink real quick. I got some apple juice for you right here, buddy. Here you go. Some apple juice in. You can ride down there real quick if you want to see them jumping in the air. You can ride down there real quick and just do a circle and come back. Yeah. But if you want to, you can ride down that way by the fence. Or you could just keep going in the circle for right now, and then we're going to get back out here on the track in a minute. Big Legend, what you got going on? You need to take a pee? Alright, just go ahead and take a pee then, man. We got your whole potty seat back here in the truck. You could take a whole good pee. Yeah, we got your toilet. We got your toilet back here, man. Alright, come on. So you can hurry up, take a quick pee. Real quick.